Thank you for fixing me up. Look, I can move my neck. It feels so good. It makes me want to dance. Whoop,
You're
whoop.
so lovely. I love you. I love my patient.
Thank you.
All right, you are very welcome. What was your symptoms before? What you were feeling before?
Oh my gosh, I was feeling so bad. I couldn't turn my neck. My shoulders were in pain because I'm a dog walker and the dogs pull me all the time. So I
Right,
get
yeah.
very tense and tight. And I've been here a half an hour and look, no tightness, moving free, feeling good, feeling myself.
Woo-hoo. You are most
All
welcome.
thanks to you.
Oh, okay. You are most welcome. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.